Hello! Video about how to upgrade SEC-E9 laser automatic key cutting machine. Please prepare a USB flash disk between 2 till 8 GB for E9 upgrade. The USB specification has to be 2.0 but not 3.0. Step 1. Please go to a factory website to enter a member login interface. Please input your email box and password to enter login. You will see upgrade information in home page. Step 2. Download the upgrade file named with your serial number to your USB flash disk. Step 3. Put the mouse cursor on the upgrade file. Click the right mouse button and choose Unzip to current file. You will get a folder named Auto Update. Please make sure that the folder is in your USB flash disk. In this way, your USB flash disk is ready for upgrade. Note: the unzipped upgrade folder should be in the root directory of your USB flash disk. Step 4. Turn on your E9 to enter the home page and wait for 15 seconds. Step 5. Plug the USB flash disk with Auto Update folder in one of the rectangle USB connectors to back of your E9 and wait for 15 seconds. Step 6. Press the button Setup on home page to enter Setup interface. Press the button Update and click Start Upgrade. Then it will upgrade automatically. Note 1. As there are several new functions and a large new added key data to update, it will take 4 to 5 minutes. Please kindly be patient even if you find the progress bar does not move. Note 2. Please don't cut off power source during upgrade, or it will cause upgrade failure and the machine needs to be sent back to a factory for repair possibly. Note: the upgrade process is fully automated. You don't need to do anything. Please wait for the upgrade process done. Step 7. After upgrade, the screen will show finishing update. Please wait. When E9 enter the home page, you can pull USB flash disk out. Reminder: first, please do not cut off power source or pull out USB flash disk during upgrade, or it will cause problems that cannot be solved by long distance. Second, as there are several new functions and a large new added key data to update, it will take a few minutes. Please kindly be patient to wait. Thanks for watching.